Welcome to Sew for Self with LSC. I'm Malanda, and here's where I teach you to sew high fashion garments for yourself. Welcome back to part 2 of the high fashion comfortable jumpsuit. This is your excess piece that you cut off the bottom, and we're going to use this to make some quick pockets. So sew these together to make a big enough piece, or if you have some extra something, whatever, but I don't have any more of this fabric, so I am going to piece the fabric together to try and get a pocket. So I sewn them together to make a wider piece for the pocket. So I'm just gonna cut it in half because we need 2 pockets. Cut it in half, fold it. Now, what we're going to do is just draw out a pocket. So you're gonna make sure your pocket is 6 inches wide. This is the top, is the fold that I'm working with. I'm gonna use a marker so you can see it. 6 inches wide. And then you just wanna draw a kidney shape. Or you can even trace a pocket from a coat, from a jacket. Quick drawn kidney shape pocket. Just gonna put one on top of the other, like so. So now we're just going to cut out the pocket. So now that we have our 2 pockets, just sew around your pocket, leave a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Now that we have both the pockets done, 6 inch opening for your hands. Now remember, we cut it open 10 inches here. We went down 6 inches here, and then another 6 inches here. So this 6 inches is where we're going to make a split for our pockets. So do a smidge of a snippet so you can get your scissors in there. Cut along the fold. Right to the other snip or mark for 6 inches. You're going to do the same thing for this side. This is your pocket. You turn it the right way. In your 6 inch opening, you just stick it in there, and your droop should be facing that way. Pin the pocket in there and sew it around. Do the same thing for the other side. Now that our pockets are sewn in, remember you can take your serger and clean up all these raw edges, or you can do a zigzag stitch and clean up the raw edges. We got the pockets on, so we're gonna grab this scrap fabric here that we took off the bottom earlier, and we're going to cut 2.5 inch strips. Okay, take your 2.5 inch pieces. So we're gonna work on the neck here. Remember where we cut. The 9 inch length one is the back, and the 6.5 inch length is the front. So we want to clean up these edges here, all around. 9.5 inches, so we need this to be 9.5 inches here. So let's cut it So we open up our split. We take the piece of fabric that we cut 2 inches wide, and then we put the right sides facing each other, pinning it in there like so. And then we're just gonna sew right at the top, leaving about 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, and we're gonna do that to all your splits. So now that you've sewn all the extra flaps on here, fold it in and iron it flat. Well, not with your hands, you know, with a real iron, but you know what I'm saying. Fold it in and iron it flat on all your sides. So what we're doing now is making the straps for our jumpsuit. So get your piece of fabric, and the straps are going to be 13 inches wide and an inch thick. So you need 2 straps. So that's 13 inches times 2 is 26. So make sure your scrap of fabric is at least 26 inches long. So you're cutting out the 3-inch wide strap and 13 inches in length. This is our strap. Your 3-inch wide strap, which is about 28 inches long. Fold it in half and iron it. And then you're going to take the folded side, open, and fold it in again about 1/2 inch. And then you're going to fold the back of it in about 1/2 inch and iron it down as you're doing it. And that's going to give you your strap, like so. And then you're going to sew it here, closed, all the way down. Your inch strap, you're going to take it, fold it, and cut it in half. Now you have your straps. Here's your straps. So you want to take these 2 points on the side where your pocket is, and this is where you're going to add your straps. Right at the point here, you're going to sew in your straps and sew it down. Just sew it across here and across there like a plus sign. And then you're going to take the back and do the exact same thing. You're still working on the sides of the straps with your pocket. So you want to do that to both sides. So I'm going to go and sew these straps down. Now we have our straps sewn in. I went ahead and hemmed the bottom of it. This is the leg. See how wide that is? This is the leg hole. Just hem the bottom. You want to hem it 1 inch. So you're going to fold it 1 inch and then fold it another inch. So that's 2 inches, but 1 inch wide hem. Okay, so we are finished. Thanks for watching Sew for Self with LSC. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Click that notification bell and keep it high fashion.